Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news.
If you add the fear of various audios, just look at me. I am from private sector, one of you. Trained by Deloitte, worked for Mobil, ExxonMobil, until I got to become the treasurer of the corporation. So define corporate governance, whichever way. I am in it. And from there, I have governed Lagos for 8 consecutive years. And today, I can brag, beat my chest, that Lagos is on the horizon. It is the 5th largest economy in Africa, from zero. No, that's a track record that I can use to assure you. And that's the track record that got me into this office as the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Nigeria voted for me for reforms. And from day one of my inauguration, I started the reform. Day one. To me, if you didn't mention me in the Guinness Book of Record, I will try to find a way to insert myself. Because I did it without expectation. My inaugural speech didn't disclose what I would do that day. I removed the fuel subsidy that is the greatest burden and pipeline to fraud and irregularities, a great burden to Nigerians from the moment I stepped into the office. There are other reforms. The arbitrage reading exchange rate is gone forever. Now you can bring your money in and out as you wish. Easy in, easy out.